Hi loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guess what we're going to be doing? A glam look. So this is a look that I did I think sometime last week, and I never took any photos, and it's like when I got home I was like, this is such a waste of a good face beat day. So we are going to be recreating that exact look. It is a glam look. It is all extra. If you like extra, this is for you, darling. So I've already done my eyebrows and I know they're looking white. I will fix that in a few minutes. So I'm going to start with my glam look. I'm using the Huddah Cosmetics So Extra eyeshadow palette. This is genuinely one of my favorite Kenyan brand palettes. Kenyan brand in general, honestly. You're going to be seeing a lot of this. But I will be sharing a new eyeshadow palette very soon. I'm excited. So for my glam look today, I'm going to be going dipped in pink. That should be the title of this. Dipped in pink, dipped in glitter. I'm going to be using Flawless. This is Flawless, and this, it's called Flawless and Charming. This is Charming. Flawless, Charming. I'm going to start with Gorgeous, kama kawaida, kama dawa. My most used color. This, I'm using that as my transition color. So first things first, I'm going to take my eyeshadow brush. That I'm going to use this, the Gorgeous, as my transition color. Okay. I'm putting it on my crease. You actually don't need a lot of this. Okay, that's how we're looking. So after I blend that in, I'm going to go in with my Flawless, the pink colors now. This. Wait, should I go in with that or the really bright color? I think I'm going to go in with Elegant instead. This. I'm going to put that in the corner of my eyes. Do the same thing to the other eye. I use my setting spray to just wet my brush a bit so that my eyeshadow can have something to stick on, because, well, I need something for it to stick on. glitz and glam. Okay, so same thing. So same thing to the other side. So I've done the glam on both sides. So now I am going to go in with my liquid liner again from our baby. That's how it looks. I move it downwards, so just so that I can look at it from this point, so that I can see my lash line visually. I'm not going to be dramatic with my liquid liner, I hope. So let's go. I draw my first line and then I just look at it from this direction to see if it works. It's easier to start like this than to draw and then look if it works. Who wants to remove the entire makeup? And then I just connect this top part to the middle part so that I can have that thick going to slender, so that it can make my eyes look like this. See, I've done this for a while, so it doesn't require for me to like hold, but if you do need, please do. And I'm actually thinking that I will. It's only I don't like holding because every time I hold, I become dramatic. So this helps to just not be as dramatic. Now this feels like a look that would want lashes, but we're not going to. Do you like it? I absolutely love it. You may cooperate, huh? Hi Jack on you surprise. Huh. Okay, so let me do the other eye and then we'll get back. both sides are done. Okay, so today's focus was just the eyes because I don't know, I like focusing on the eyes. I think if you go dramatic on the eyes, everything else can just be really chilled. So again, I'm going to go in with my Davis pencil and just line my waterline. Done, done, and done. I'm going to go again in with my pink color with my Elegant, this baby, and to go in and just put that small toe on my lash line. Just a bit, just smoke it up a bit. This corner, and then drag it. I don't know if you can see it, but I like it. Can you see? It's just, it looks nice. It looks like a purple. It looks nice. I feel like I want to add, but this is also another thing. You know when you're adding and you know you're going to mess it up? That's how I'm feeling right now. But I'm still going to add because it just makes up. And there we have it. My eyes, baby. There we go. So now I'm just going to do the rest of my face, which is just primer, foundation, and lip gloss, and then I will come back and we can say goodbye. So I'm back. I've done my edges, a bit of gloss. Should I insert here what I did? Okay, here you go. Here you go. That's how I did my lips, and I'm basically ready to go and enjoy, right? So that's all. That's my glam look for the day, for the weekend. I mean. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys. Our family is growing. When I filmed this, we were at 700 subscribers, so let's see if we'd have moved just a bit at least. I really appreciate you guys for subscribing, for liking, for commenting sometimes, for sharing sometimes. I really appreciate it. You don't have to, but you do. And yes, so please tell me what you'd like to see. One of you asked for me to do an eyebrow tutorial video, which is what will be coming up next on Tuesday. I'm excited for that as well. Hopefully I'll get my brows done before I do that. But yes, so before I ramble on too much, because I can speak and speak and speak, I will love you and leave you. Kisses, my loves. Bye.